Oh my god, we are in Maryland and we have almost, I think, 10 inches or 12 inches of snow here. Look at that, my balcony is full. Oh my goodness, my backyard. Look. Oh my god. Let me show you guys the front. Oh my goodness. You're not gonna believe. You can't even see the stairs. Oh, look at the road. You can't even see the road. This is serious, guys. This is happening. This guy, he just cleaned like an hour ago, and look at that. It's already full. It's almost like no point of cleaning the snow when it's gonna be too much.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Look at it, you can't even see the stairs.